Iconic cars, the Subaru Impreza. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to exploring the world of iconic cars. In today's episode, we shine the spotlight on the spectacular Subaru Impreza. First introduced by the Japanese automaker Subaru in 1992, this compact car has captivated the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Subaru Impreza. Stay tuned for more captivating content as we explore other iconic cars that have left a remarkable impact on the automotive industry. Replacing the legendary Leone, the Impreza came with a groundbreaking change, the new EJseries engines, replacing its predecessor's EAseries. This marked the beginning of an era that continues to impress even with its latest, 6th-generation model. One of the notable variants of the Impreza is its 5-door hatchback body, which has been available since 2008. But that's not all. Subaru also delighted us with a striking coupe version from 1995 to 2001, a sleek 4-door sedan up until the 5th generation, and a versatile 5-door wagon introduced alongside the Impreza's inception. With the 3rd generation in 2008, the wagon evolved into a remarkable hatchback design. Under the hood, the Impreza boasts its famous boxer flat-4 engines, which range from 1.5 to 2.5 liters in mainstream versions. If you're seeking enhanced performance, fear not. Subaru has got you covered with the turbocharged Impreza RX and WRXSTI models. These powerful versions will undoubtedly thrill any performance enthusiast. In fact, some markets have labeled them with the abbreviated name Subaru RX since the 3rd generation series. Beyond its on-road prowess, the Impreza has ventured off-road with its exclusive package known as the Outback Sport. Offered from the 1st to 3rd generations, this package transformed the Impreza into a capable and rugged companion, tailored specifically for the North American market. And here's something fascinating. In its 4th generation, the appearance package took on a new form, a subcompact crossover SUV. Subaru renamed it the EAseries, known as Crosstrek in North America. This versatile model quickly gained international recognition and continues to cater to adventure-seeking drivers worldwide. Its impressive performance capabilities aside, the Impreza offers a choice between front-wheel drive and the iconic all-wheel drive layout. Here's where it gets interesting. While most global compact cars typically feature front-wheel drive, Subaru has made all-wheel drive its unique selling proposition, especially in markets where sales are restricted solely to this layout. But there's more to the Impreza than meets the eye. In a recent 2019 iSeeCars study, the Impreza earned the prestigious title of the lowest depreciating sedan in the United States after 5 years. This remarkable feat showcases the value and reliability that this iconic car brings to its owners. In conclusion, the Subaru Impreza has proven to be an automotive legend, combining style, performance, and endurance. From its humble beginnings in 1992 to its current 6th generation, this car continues to excite and captivate enthusiasts around the world.